What's up everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to build 3 Lego appliances. To build the oven you need a 2x2 plate and one of these pieces and stack it on top of the 2x2 plate. Next get 4 black studs and place it on top. For the sink you need a 2x2 plate and a 1x2 brick and place it in the back. Next get 2 1x1 studs on the side pieces with grooves on the bottom and place a 1x2 jumper plate right on top. Next get 2 of these pieces. Next get 2 1x2 plates and stack them on top of each other. Next get a 1x2 jumper plate and a faucet piece and you're done. For the refrigerator you need a 2x3 brick and an L piece and a studs on a side piece and place this piece right there. Next get a 1x2 brick and a 2x3 plate and place it right there. Next get 2 1x3 plates and stack them on top of each other. Then get 3 of these pieces and place it as shown. For the last step, get a 1x2 tile and a 1x1 plate and then you're done. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.